All right there, boys and girls. We are ready for day 5 of our December daily math. So let's look at number 1. 4 tens, 5 ones is the same amount as 3 tens and blank ones. So if they have to be the same, they have to, and we lose a 10 on this side, that means we have to gain a 10 down here. So instead of 5 ones, we have to gain 10 to that. So we are now going to have 15 ones. Okay? So again, we had 4 tens and 5 ones. We have 3 tens and 15 ones. Okay, number 2, draw a line to split Taco's bone in half. Okay. I would say a majority probably are going to split this way in half. Okay, how many halves? 2. I don't know if they're quite equal if you go this way. I would just say let's just go that way. Close enough, right? If you did and you went right down the middle, we'll go. Okay. List 6 pairs of addends that have a sum of 14. Now, when we're adding up to 14, we have a lot of choices here, okay? So let's start by going 10. 10 and 4. Now let's go down. 9 and 5. 8 and 6. 7 and 7. Now instead of going 6 and 8, and let's change it now to 11 and 3. And we'll finish it off 12 and 2. Okay, so what we could have done there is we really could have gone 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and then just reversed them. But I wanted something else, okay? If you did that, that's fine though. All right, number 4. Taco has 3 fewer chew bones than his friend Molly. Molly has 12 chew bones. How many chew bones does Taco have? So, does he have more or less than his friend? Okay, it says Taco has 3 fewer than his friend Molly. Molly has 12 chew bones. Okay, so Molly has 12, and Taco has 3 fewer, or 3 less than 12. So we're going to take 3 away from 12, okay, and that is 9. Okay, so 12 minus 3 is 9. How many chew bones does Taco have? 9 chew bones. Okay, 45 mice got loose in the pet store. Some of the mice were caught. 20 mice are still on the loose. How many mice were caught? All right, so we had 45 mice. Some of the mice were caught, so we don't know, right? But 20 mice are still on the loose. How many mice were caught? Well, we don't know. Some is our answer. And I see it could have been some of the mice are still loose. 20 mice were caught. How many were still loose? So it doesn't matter either way. We know there's 45 total and 20 are still in the loose. So the rest is going to give us what's left. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have 25 mice. All right, boys and girls, great job on that one. We will see you tomorrow.